Hello, hello. Welcome back to Daily English Lines. I am Olivia. I am your English teacher.
And hello, everyone. I am Charlie. I am a student, and I am very happy today.
You are happy. Why are you happy, Charlie?
Because, Olivia, today we are talking about my favorite thing.
Your favorite thing? Is it football?
No, it is better than football. It is food.
Ah, food. Yes, everybody loves food. It is a universal topic.
I love to eat, and I want to talk about eating in English.
That is a great goal. Today, we will learn simple sentences about meals, about taste, and how to order food.
My stomach is ready. My brain is ready.
Excellent. Let's start. Part 1. The meals of the day. First, Charlie, let's talk about time. We eat at different times of the day.
Yes, in the morning we eat.
In the morning, the meal is called breakfast.
Breakfast. Break fast.
Correct. We say, I have breakfast.
I have breakfast. What do people eat for breakfast?
Many people eat eggs. Many people eat bread or cereal.
I love eggs, so I say I have eggs for breakfast.
Perfect. Listeners, repeat after me. I have breakfast. Again, I have breakfast. Good. Now it is 12 p.m. It is the middle of the day.
It is time for lunch.
Yes, lunch. Lunch.
I have lunch.
Usually, lunch is a sandwich or a salad or rice.
I like a big lunch. I am always hungry at noon.
Let's practice. Listeners, repeat after me. I have lunch. One more time. I have lunch. And finally, Charlie, it is the evening. It is 7 p.m.
That is dinner.
Yes, dinner. I have dinner.
Dinner is important. I eat with my family.
That is nice. Listeners, repeat, I have dinner. Very good. Part 2. Expressing hunger and thirst. Charlie, why do you eat?
Why? Because my stomach makes a noise. Grr.
Yes, we have a word for that feeling. We say, I am hungry.
I am hungry.
Listen to the sound. Hungry. I am hungry.
I use this sentence every day. Mom, I am hungry.
But Charlie, what if you are very, very hungry? You did not eat all day.
Is there a stronger word?
Yes, we say, I am starving.
I am starving. Wow, that sounds dramatic.
It is common. I am starving.
Let's practice these. Listeners, are you hungry? Repeat after me. I am hungry.
Now be dramatic. I am starving. Great. But Charlie, what if you need water? You don't need food, you need water.
Then I am not hungry, I am thirsty.
Correct. Thirsty. Be careful with the TH sound. Thirsty.
I am thirsty.
Yes, when you run, you are thirsty. When it is hot, you are thirsty.
I need water. I am thirsty.
Listeners, repeat after me. I am thirsty. Again, I am thirsty. Good job. Part 3. Likes and dislikes. Now, let's talk about preferences. What food is good? What food is bad?
I have many opinions about this.
Okay, when you enjoy the food, you say, I like it.
I like pizza.
Everyone likes pizza, Charlie.
True. I like pizza.
If you enjoy it very much, you say, I love it.
I love chocolate.
Me too. I love chocolate.
Listeners, tell us, do you like chocolate? Repeat, I love chocolate.
But Charlie, what about vegetables? Do you like onions?
No, I don't like onions.
I don't like onions. This is the negative.
I really don't like them. Can I use a stronger word?
Yes, the opposite of love is hate.
I hate onions.
That is very strong. I hate onions.
Let's practice the negative. Listeners, think of a food you do not like. Repeat after me. I don't like it.
And the strong one, I hate it. Very clearly spoken. Part 4. Describing taste. We know like and don't like, but we need adjectives. We need to describe the food.
Okay, when the food is good, what do I say? Good?
Good is okay, but delicious is better.
It is delicious. That is a beautiful word.
Yes, when you eat your mom's cooking, you say, "Mom, it is delicious."
Or we can say yummy.
Yummy is informal. Kids say yummy, but adults can say it too.
It is yummy.
Now, specific tastes. Charlie, think of a lemon.
A lemon. Ooh, it makes my face go scrunch.
That is sour.
It is sour.
Think of a chili pepper, red pepper.
Hot. Fire.
We say spicy.
It is spicy. I like spicy food.
I don't. It hurts my mouth.
Think of sugar or candy.
That is sweet.
It is sweet.
And finally, think of potato chips or the ocean water.
That is salty.
It is salty.
Let's review the tastes. Listeners, repeat after me. It is delicious.
It is spicy. It is sweet. It is salty. Excellent. Now you can be a food critic. Part 5, Ordering Food, Politeness. Charlie, imagine we are at a restaurant or a coffee shop.
Okay, I am ready to order.
How do you ask for food?
I say, I want coffee.
No, Charlie, that is not polite. I want sounds like a baby. I want.
Oh no, I don't want to be a baby. What should I say?
The polite phrase is, I would like.
I would like.
Or you can make it short, I'd like.
I'd like. Coffee, please.
Much better. Always say please.
I would like a sandwich, please.
I would like the menu, please.
This is very important for travel.
Yes, if you are polite, the waiter is happy.
Let's practice politeness. Listeners, imagine you are in a cafe. Repeat after me. I would like a coffee, please.
Again, I would like a coffee, please. Now ask for water. I would like some water, please. Very good manners. Part 6, The Shadowing Story. Charlie, we have learned many words today. Meals, hunger, taste, and ordering.
Let's put them together in a story.
Yes, I will tell a short story about a hungry man.
Is the man me?
Maybe. Listeners, I will read a sentence. You repeat it immediately. This is shadowing.
Try to copy Olivia's speed and emotion.
Are you ready? Let's go. I wake up. It is 7 a.m.
I wake up. It is 7 a.m.
I am very hungry.
I am very hungry.
I have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
I eat eggs and bread.
I eat eggs and bread.
The bread is delicious.
The bread is delicious.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
It is hot and sweet.
It is hot and sweet.
Now I am happy.
Now I am happy. That was a nice morning story. I feel full now.
Good job shadowing, everyone. Part 7, Review and Quiz. Charlie, are you ready for a challenge?
I am always ready.
I will describe a situation. You tell me the English sentence.
Okay, listeners, try to answer before me.
Situation 1. You just ran 5 kilometers. You need water. How do you feel?
I'm not hungry. I am thirsty.
Correct. I am thirsty. Situation 2. You are eating a lemon. It is yellow and not sweet. What is the taste?
Ooh, my face hurts. It is sour.
Yes, it is sour. Situation 3. You are at a restaurant. The waiter comes. You want chicken. How do you ask politely?
Do I say, I want chicken? No. I would like chicken, please.
Perfect. I would like chicken, please. Situation 4. You see a vegetable you hate, maybe garlic or onions. What do you say?
I don't like it, or I hate it.
Exactly.
Did I pass the test, Olivia?
You got 100%, Charlie. Conclusion. We are finished for today. We talked about food, glorious food.
Now I'm actually hungry. I think I will go have lunch.
What will you have for lunch, Charlie?
I think I would like a pizza.
Of course. Pizza is delicious.
Listeners, thank you for studying with us. Try to use these words today.
When you eat dinner tonight, say this is delicious or I am hungry in English.
Don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Lines for more lessons.
Have a delicious day, everyone.
Bye-bye. Bon appetit.
Goodbye.